Here we go, man. Web dev, LeetCode and web dev. That's what we're doing. I don't even remember what I was doing the last time. I'm not gonna lie. It's been like almost a week since I touched my website, you know. Oh, I'm in the wrong category. Dang, thank you. We're not in makers and crafters today because we're doing LeetCode and web dev. Making a website and crafting plans. Yeah, I guess we are making and crafting, man. Or we could be crafting the website and making plans. Either way works. Alright. Everything is cool? I think so. Almost. Everything is almost cool. Alright, y'all ready? I'm ready, man. In just 1 second, I'll be ready. Alright, here we go. Daily problem time, man. Let's see what it is. I might have already seen it. I don't know what time it comes out. I've already solved it too, but we can solve it again. Let me see when I solved it though. Well, I gave a wrong answer a few years ago. Wait, now it says just attempted. Maybe it's been a really long time since I solved it. Number of subarrays with odd sum. Given an array of integers, return the number of subarrays with an odd sum. Since the answer can be very large, return it mod prime number. I think I can solve it. I'm thinking immediately it's some type of prefix sum. Prefix sums with the parity or something. Let me think about that. Would it be like a prefix sum on this? It's kind of like a two sum maybe. Wait, let me think. Prefix sum, yeah. It must be some type of prefix sum. Let me try and science it out. If this was a contest, I would not try and science it out so slowly. I would just go straight to implementing it, and then I just science it out by pressing run. But it is not a contest, so I usually try and take my time and go through my thought process a bit more. So this one, they say the answer is 16. Wait, should we do it on this one? Let's do it on the smaller inputs. This one, the answer is 4. How do we get to this number? Prefix sums, perhaps. What are we putting in here? We're just putting like the parity. So 0 means even and 1 means odd. This might not be right, but I want to see what it gives me. So I'll iterate through and I'll keep track of like a running sum. And then what am I doing with this sum? So I take the parity of the running sum, and we need odd sums. So that means if it's even, we're looking for odd. And if it's odd, we're looking for even, right? So we're just looking for the opposite of the parity of the running sum. Or it might be the same. I'm not sure yet. But we're about to find out. So right now our running sum is 0, so this is going to be, I guess, an even number. And then anyways, nothing is there. So wait. I add the 1 first. This is odd. So I'm looking for an even. Let me take some notes down. Add current value to running sum. Part 2 is find add to ants the number of opposite parity. I think it might not be opposite parity, but I'm not too sure yet, is what I'm thinking. So this running sum is 1, which means the parity is odd. And that means we're looking for evens, right? And there's 0. No. Do I start off evens with 1 in this case? See, last TV, what's happened? Did the keyboard get finished last night? Absolutely not, man. I didn't have any solder to finish it, but tomorrow I'm gonna be finishing it if the solder comes in. But I'll show you where it's at. Let me get it real quick. Well, it's not screwed together or nothing, but this is how it would look. This is Q Ultimus's keyboard. And we still got a lot of work to do because we have to solder everything up. But it's pretty cool, I think. All right. Back to this daily problem for the LeetCode. What was I saying, man? We're adding the opposite parity. Rexo Sabe in the house, man. I don't ever know what you mean by all those emotes. Steven Saggy Ball. What's happening, man? What do you think of Pat's advice stream yesterday? I was only there for a brief moment, but I don't know. What should I be thinking, man? Sounds like you got some good advice, man. I don't know. Are you gonna follow through with all the advice? There are like 2 people in the chat. Then when I started talking, the whole crew came out. Yeah. Everybody wants to hear about the mysterious Steven Saggyball, man, and the person behind the name, you know. So you accepted the job. Very good. That's the right move, man. You can't be declining jobs in this market, especially when you don't even have a backup job or a backup offer, you know. So that would be silly to decline that for no reason. And it's remote, man. Remote is like gold right now, especially for you. I guess next move is maybe delay start. Yeah, That is your next move for sure. Just tell them you have to delay your start date or something. Just tell them like, I can only start on this day. You know, they'll be all right. They've already put in a lot of work to find you, and they probably think you're a good candidate for what they're doing. And if it's just gonna be delayed by a couple weeks, man, I think that should be okay. And if it's not okay, then maybe you've actually dodged a bullet with that company, because it sounds like they're just gonna throw you into the fire, man, you know? Potentially. I don't know. Maybe that's just coping. All right, here we go, man. So what we're trying to do here. Try not to stress. Wait, why are you stressing? You already got the job offer. Everything is good, man. Things are going very well for you. I wouldn't say it's a time to stress. I'd say it's a time to celebrate. Anyways, we add that odd sum from the running sum. Now our running sum is 4. So in order for this, we're looking, I guess we're looking for an even. Yeah, and then that's what we're subtracting there. So, right? Yeah, that, I know this is right, man. Why am I even going through it? That, am I sure? And then 5, it would be 5 plus 4, which is 9. So that means we're looking for an odd. No, this is an odd. We're looking for an even. And there's 2 in there, so we just do that. All right, here we go, here we go. So what do I need here? I guess I need like a hash map. And this is gonna count my parity. Parity? Is that how you spell it? I'm gonna just call it freak. And I'm iterating through, wait, first I gotta put freak of 0 is 1. And now I'm iterating, wait, we need our running sum. And I don't think I need a long because 100 is not gonna overflow. Unordered map? Oh wait, that's a dang array of 100. So I only, wait, it's only 2, man. I only need odd and evens. Is that what you want, Raxo? You want me to just use odd counts? I'll do it, man, just because you're here. Otherwise, I just leave it. Anyways, here we go. We're going through each. Do I need the index? I don't think I do. So I'm going through each thing. Running sum. All right. So then, what are my steps? Add to the running sum. So, and then I check the parity. So if, then this is target parity is odd, and right, odd and even, because it's the opposites. What am I doing? Oh, I need an answer, and I say it's, and I need to mod everything, right? So then, so wait, I could just, I should do it like this, right? Ants equal ants plus odd count, and then I mod it, right? You only order LeetCode gods? Wait, what? VIP? LeetCode? Yeah, VIP is mainly for other LeetCode streamers or people who have contributed significantly to the community, like Smart Coder, because he's made that Smart Coder Discord, even though I think he's sunsetting that Discord. Wait, I should store this parity, huh? I guess is even. No, is odd. I don't even know what to call it. And it would just be this. And then we need it like that. So if it's... No. Let me think. Pixel Pusher in the house. What's happening, man? Steven Sagiball, you ain't never streamed LeetCode, man. I follow you. I would get the notification. Wait, so this should be is even? Wait, how the hell do I name this? Is not even? I guess I could just say is even and then do that or something, right? Because I was confusing myself there for a little bit. Anyways, so if it's... I don't even need this, man. I don't even need this. I don't even know why I did that. I'm tripping today. I can just add it here. So this means target parity is odd, so this parity is even. And then this one would be odd counts. Man, I don't know why I'm so slow today. Jim3838, welcome to the party. Saddam from YouTube, how are you doing? If it works, well, it doesn't work. Explain my thought process. Yeah. Something ain't right though. I messed up something big time. Where did I mess up? Add the running sum. And then this is supposed to be odd. So we're looking for even. Should I think? Or should I debug with print statements? I actually tried this daily on stream today. I'm confused. Wait. I'm also confused, man. I thought I had it figured out, but I don't. It's backwards? Wait, I have them swapped? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. I knew I was confusing myself. Wait, there's two mistakes. No, the input cannot be negative. The input is only 1 to 100. Alright, where's the other mistake? Oh, I didn't. Come on, man. I did all that and I didn't do the mod. That doesn't even count as a mistake, does it? It does. It does count as a mistake. Alright, I can, now that I'm confident it works, I can explain it for everybody out there, Steven Sagiball and Saddam from YouTube. So the question is asking just how many subarrays have an odd sum. And anytime I see a question asking like how many subarrays or something with subarrays, I'm thinking usually of, depending on the question, but sliding window crosses my mind, and also prefix sums crosses my mind. Those two categories for sure, I'm gonna at least think about them. Not every subarray problem is one of those topics, but there usually are. And so the first thing I thought was prefix sums, just because I've seen patterns like this before. And prefix sums, if you don't know what a prefix sum is, Prefix sum is a very nice way for you to get the sum of any subarray in an array in constant time. But you do have to do some pre-processing. So you have to do like a ON pre-processing, and then once you build that prefix sum, you can query to get any subarray in constant time. And I don't know if I want to go into details on how it works, but it works, man. Software tools, man, I am actually working towards a dang course, but that's a secret. It's not a secret. I talked about it last quarter in Q4. My goal was to do this in Q1 of 2025, but I don't think it's gonna happen, man. I think it's gonna probably hit Q2 2025, just in time for the summer, you know. Where do you host your course? Well, I don't have a course to host. Nah, it's not gonna be a Udemy. I'm just gonna have it on my website, man. But I'm working on something that is gonna have me like explain all the topics. I might do a marathon. I kind of tried it last year. I tried to do video explanations, but I think a lot of them were not that great. Anyways, we'll try again this year. $6.99 course. No, man, it's gonna be free $99. I don't believe in making money from you guys. At least not right now, man. I'm doing this. I don't know. I feel like it's just something I'd like to do to kind of give back. I'm not gonna be charging for this course. I'm just gonna have it for free. All my videos, everything. Anyways, I was trying to explain this problem, and I got sidetracked talking about prefix sums. So the idea here is we don't really care about what the actual sums are. We only care about the parity. And the parity means, is the number odd or even? Is the sum, the running sum at that index, odd or even? And then with this prefix sums and with this knowledge that the whole idea behind this is an odd number plus an odd number equals an even number. An odd plus an even equals an odd, and then even plus even equals even. So using this knowledge and prefix sums, we are able to come up with this solution where for every sum, running sum that you encounter, we're just looking for the opposite. So we want an odd, we have to find the opposite, like two opposite sums basically. And I don't know, that I could go into more details, but that's the idea, man. I don't really feel like spending too much time on this problem. I don't want to become like teaching LeetCode in my web dev days, you know? Yeah, Saddam, hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that like puts you in the right direction. I can share this solution. Actually, I was supposed to type up the dang editorial here. So let me post this solution, and then I'll link this so you can check it out. Prefix sums. Wait, is this prefix sums, man, or is this two-sum? It's kind of like two-sum, right? I guess it's kind of based on both. I don't even know now that I'm thinking about it. Intuition, odd plus even equal odd. So we can use this idea with prefix sums to find how many subarrays have an odd sum, right? That's kind of the idea. This is ON. Space complexity, I guess it's O1 because there can only be two. We're only using 2 ints to count everything, or a few ints. Alright. Let me remove all my comments down here. And that's my low effort solution, man. Alright, there it is. Alright. Is it time for web deving? Or what? I don't even remember what we're working on my website. Oh shit. Wait, I'm one problem away from Elite. I'm probably gonna solve a problem and forget to take a screenshot, man. That's probably what's gonna happen. Alright, here we go, man. Let me run everything on the website. Doing easy? Oh, just to get the 1337? Nah, I want it to happen naturally, you know? So that means it's gonna happen next stream. Alright, let me just get everything running for the website. Alright, there's a few things I gotta fix. I'm not too confident in how everything works on my website. I think it's kind of janky right now. There's probably a few bugs. And yesterday, Icy Black Deep told me that when I visit the Type Racer leaderboard, it just errors out. So I think that's the #1 thing I'm gonna, like, that's my top priority task, is to fix that today, right now. Alright, so here's the website. Problem is Type Racer. I go here and it trips. So I think that should be an easy fix. That's because I moved this whole Type Racer stuff into the leaderboard thing. And now I just gotta figure out some things here. I don't know how to fix it, but it feels like it shouldn't be too hard. Where am I, man? Here I am. What am I doing here? This is what I'm trying to change. How are we gonna change that? I think I don't know. I guess I could just redirect to the leaderboards page and then pass in some type of state where it says I should be loading the Type Racer instead of the LeetCode. So this one is just looking, yeah, I just need to pass in, all right, let me see. Remix route link to pass props or something like that. This is too old, man. That's talking about 2016. Yeah, here's what we need. Maybe. No, I don't even know what this is. This is not what we need. I don't even know what we need, man. We need, yeah, when somebody visits this, I just want to redirect them. Should we just ask Claude to do it? Let me use this chat thing. All right. I'm gonna ask Claude, or not Claude. Is it Claude? It is Claude. I'm gonna ask it to redirect. Wait, when a user visits this page, redirects them to the leaderboards route and pass a string in the props, or pass it some pass a parameter that says type racer. That's all we need, man. That's all we really need. Oh, I see. Maybe I see what I think. I think I see what I need to do. Maybe instead of going there, I'll just go to the leaderboards and then be like tab equal type racer. And then on the leaderboards page, I don't think I need this. On the leaderboards page, then maybe I will get those parameters somehow. Search params. Oh, it knows. I might buy the Japan trip tickets now. Yeah, you should have bought them already, man. I don't know why you're taking so long. Just go. I don't want to hear anything about your 6'5" blah blah blah, man. Just buy them tickets. If you need the extra leg room, you got two options. You can either go ball out business class, first class, or you can just get an emergency exit row. Easy work, you know. Or maybe emergency exit row, or the row all the way in the front of the plane, you know. That's what you should have done. All right, here we go. Let me see if that works. Too many re-renders. I don't know how to do this. Why is it? Vertizoid, welcome to the party, man. How are you doing? Big Crypto Cat, how are you doing? Actually doing last minute upgrade day of or day before your flight for first class. You get it for dirt cheap. But you also run the risk of not being able to get it. I guess that's for if you don't care if you get it or not. But yeah, I suppose, yeah, that might be points would give me business, apparently. Fancy. $200 upgrade for first class? Man, I don't think so. I think you're dreaming if you think upgrade for first class is $200, man. Even the last minute ones, no way it's gonna get down that low. Yeah, I've actually purchased those upgrades. I bought like a business class upgrade. It was like 700 from Europe to New York. And I think they start off high and then they bring down the price until somebody buys it. They're not gonna start off and say $200 right out the bat. That's for sure. Maybe $200 might be like a 1-hour flight upgrade or something, you know. AK Locks, what's happening? What's your #1 tip for getting a hang of C, syscall, processes, threads, cache, VM? Man, that's a lot of things you listed there. I have an exam for operating systems and I'm really stressing. I don't want to fail. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know those things. I guess you should study the material that your professor gave you. You know? That seems to be like a good way. Wait, maybe check if... Oh, yeah, why is this dang thing... Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that, man. That works. Except he can't go. How can I interesting. Q Ultimus, welcome to the party. I'm having a small issue here, Q, with my web dev. So I'm trying to fix it where you can just redirects here, but then now the state doesn't work. Pat's Hello World in the house. Welcome to the party. Did the keyboard assembly finish? I did not, man. I still need to solder everything up. My solder gets here tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow. Huh. So I think what's happening is, how do I get rid of these search params after I click a button? Oh, I can use set search params. Oh, yeah. And then I can just hit them with nothing, maybe. And then that way, well, let's see if it even works first. It doesn't. What are you talking about, man? How'd that happen? I see. Alright, so I go here. Dang. See, that didn't work. Oh, I want to, all right, maybe instead of that, I can use this. This doesn't feel right though. Not sure if this is a great solution, but it works for now, I think. But is it doing like a request every time? No, I don't think so. Alright. I suppose that fixes that problem. What else do I want to do? Alright. I need some people to register and test out the website now. Even wait, did I upload everything? Oh shit. So we need more LeetCode profiles in here, because right now we only got 2 of them are me. I guess I don't know what else to add yet. I want to add a lot more data. Well, I want to style things more consistently. Like this style doesn't match that style. I want to create some consistent styling across the stuff. What else do I want to do? I want to... Well, I'm trying to think about all the things I want to clean up before I begin implementing some WebSockets on this site. Maybe I should like fill in an about page, get my CSS nice for the body, because this one just goes wide. Like it's too wide. I think I need to narrow it in the middle. Don't have Google sign up? Nah, I don't have Google sign up. I could add it though. Shall I work on that, Q? Vikrant, how are you doing? I guess we could add... Oh shit, man. The logout doesn't work. We're talking about the logout doesn't work, man. I just had a bug. Logout. Let's see. Where did error out? On the profile. Oh, so when you log out from the profile page, it errors out. And that error was something to do with the metadata. Wait, login didn't work? Dang. Wait, what happened? What did you log in with? Oh shit, the OAuth. I forgot to change that, man. I forgot to put... Wait. Alright, thank you very much. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, man. It's silly. It's so dumb. My environment variables weren't working, man. But I gotta like redeploy everything. Jesus Christ. Should I do that now real quick? Wait, let me try and fix this one bug with the like logging out on the profile page also does some weird stuff. So metadata. What was the error? Can't read properties of null. Do you just usually put like a question mark there? Anyways, I'm sure there's more bugs on this code, man. Let me just redeploy this and see what's up. I think I just bought the tickets. What do you mean you think? Sounds like you bought them. Alright, alright, alright. Hold up. Wait a minute. What do I need to do? I'm trying to rebuild that front end. Oh shit, I gotta start Docker. Alright, I'll deploy the fixes and hopefully everything is working after that. Maybe I should have checked things, you know? Alright, let's build the image, or whatever this means. Build the Docker stuff. Steven Sagiball, where are you staying in Tokyo mostly? Tokyo, Osaka? You're just gonna Airbnb? Alright, yeah. Hit me up. I just booked 5 weeks in Osaka. And maybe I still have to book some more places. But I might stay like a week around Fuji. Maybe. I don't know if that's too long. Might do a couple weeks in Tokyo. Maybe somewhere else also. I'm not 1 week somewhere else. March 4 to 17. Sounds like a decent amount of time. Have you traveled before, man? Is this like your first big trip? Alright, let me switch my camera while I upload this new image. I don't want to give away my keys or whatever, you know. Not by myself. Alright. Where have you been? And with who? Like, you've traveled maybe with your family or with friends? Traveling with family is a lot different than traveling with friends, which is different than traveling alone. Oh yeah, Q, you were there last night, weren't you? In Pat's stream, huh? Q was like, what the heck? Is this a normal Pat stream? Q was like, dang, I didn't know y'all get down like this. Anyways, what am I doing? I just uploaded the image, I think. Now I gotta reload the Docker stuff on my server. Alright. Sometimes Pat's stream feels like the Wild West. Sometimes. Who knows what goes on in there? Alright, 1 second, man. I'm almost reloading that thing, Future Highway. I'm about to do it right now. I'm going to... Oh, Among Us from YouTube. Sorry, I'm just seeing your message. Do you remember me? You gotta give me more than that, man. Wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was bringing down Docker Compose down. And then I have to figure out why my algo tracker, or how to get my algo tracker to work on Ubuntu server. That's something else I gotta figure out. Alright, I just relaunched the site, Future Highway, if you're still around. Hopefully the logging in and stuff works now. Let me see if the website still works in general. Alright. Alright, so that stuff works. Oh, shit. I'm not logged in, it looks like. Is it not working? Oh man. Wait. So my OAuth login worked, but Pixel Pusher, yours isn't working. Interesting. Yes, it goes to that. Man, what the hell is going on here? Wait, you guys did. Oh. Wait. Maybe because I've already registered. I don't have another Twitch account to try. Let me think. You don't sound like you're from Kingston, Jamaica? Well, that's because I'm washed up, man. What are we doing? We're trying to figure out why the sign up doesn't work. So it goes to the dang thing. Wait. And then I have this callback. So this callback is where it goes to that auth code error that doesn't exist. I don't even have that page. So that means, man, the last time this was happening, it was because I had a, yeah, maybe if you tried in the past, it won't work or something. And then there's like some weird cookies. I don't know what the hell, man. Auth code error. I can check the logs on the server to see what's up. Let me do that real quick. Docker logs. Oh, yeah. So I think when you get that error, it might be because there's some stale cookies. I'm not 100% sure though. Like, because you tried it in the past, maybe your browser had these wrong cookies in there. And then when you try it again, the information in the cookies didn't match the auth request. That would be like just a guess. It could also be something completely different. If I refresh, it acts like I'm logged in with an undefined name. Yeah, can you like log out? Sorry, I'm using you guys as like beta testers or something. QA. I should probably be doing this on my side, but maybe if you can like clear the cookies, it might work or something. So what chat is for? Is it what chat is for? Let me check out my database. Yeah, we gotta get this website running smoothly. I think there's a lot of work still to do. Alright, so I'm seeing... Oh, you know what I should add? On the sign up page, I should add your LeetCode profile thing. Anyways. Alright, we got... let me run my tracker locally. Pick up Pixel Pusher's information. Dang, 55 contests. Look at that. Pixel Pusher, the highest rated registered LeetCode person on the website. Clearing the cookies works? Oh, snap. So maybe it is like just stale cookies. Wait. Oh, wait. Highest rated for now or clearing cookies works for now? I don't know. Means there's a lot of other bugs to be uncovered. Dang, look at that, man. Pixel Pusher has done way more hard problems than me. About 50 more or something. But I've done more mediums and easies. But hards is where you get to Guardian at, man. It's really difficult to get to Guardian without doing hard problems. And that's what it feels like that's what I'm trying to do. Because I always dodge hard problems. Is it working now? So, yeah, you can register, Bobby. You can register. Nah, it's working a little bit. It's working enough. Wait, Q, you gotta clear your cookies if you tried it in the past. I don't know. Or try and, yeah, clear your cookies. Or, alright, try it one more time. Maybe you gotta do it like 2 times for it to work, man. But I'll try and figure out why that is. Should I try and do that now? Should I debug that? Like, try and debug it locally? Can we make the easy, medium, hard, green, yellow, red? Yes, we can. We can. This is just a ChatGPT UI. I'm definitely going to work on this to style it. Maybe I can do that today since I don't have much planned. And alright, anytime. Oh man. Update profile button should redirect away from the form. Wait, I see a problem, man. So I should I see an issue. Future highway. Looks like you entered the whole profile URL. I can see how that's confusing. Anyways, that should be an upgrade to the UI, is to make it explicit that you only want the username there. Yeah. All right, Bobby Blue, let me add that as a to-do on the leaderboards page. Or something. The example show the whole thing. Okay, I see. Maybe I should change that example. The input says URL. Yes, it does. All right. I see what you're saying, future highway. We'll fix that one day. So, Bobby Blue, you wanted green, yellow, red. And then these icons look not that great. But I'll leave them. So easy. Can I just put this in a span? And give this a class name of, how do you color something? Text green? I forget how it works. Yeah, use their username only. I think the redirect is an issue. I visited the site after the redirect and I was logged in. Interesting. Yeah, we got problems on the website. Thank you everyone for running into these problems so that I can try and fix them. Alright, so should I run my script to get all the new people? Blame the AI, yeah. It's the AI for sure. Alright, what are we doing? Making the easy... I don't even know what I'm doing, man. Oh yeah, right here. Oh, let's check the leaderboards. Oh, we got Future Highway. We got Bobby Blue, Pixel Pusher. We got user 9426M. Very nice, man. Oh, we could also have a total solved problems. Looks like I'm number one. Dang, you are number one for easies. Still doesn't show in my page. Wait, Bobby Blue, what do you mean? You gotta refresh it or something. Wait, what doesn't show? The leaderboards doesn't show? Can you take a screenshot? Wait, is the leaderboard showing for anyone else except me? Or besides me? Or whatever? Shows your username after a while before it doesn't. Okay. Okay, well, I guess it's working a little bit. Wait, Q, it doesn't work for you at all? Alright, so everyone is getting the 404 error. What the hell is going on, man? It must be like for new signups only. Alright, let me inspect the logs again. This is not great. We're getting a lot of errors here. Man, these logs are bad. I gotta take out all these console logs. There's so much junk. Yes. Interesting. So here's the errors that I'm seeing. It basically says this. How do I get on the leaderboard? You have to register on the website, which seems to be a little bit buggy right now. But it works if you keep trying, apparently. And then once you're finally registered, you go to your profile page and you click edit and you type in your LeetCode profile username and you click update profile. And then eventually you should show up on the leaderboards. But it's not instant. Not yet, at least. Anyways, it's giving a 404 but still linking my account. Not sure what that means. Oh, like the connection is established but I'm not able to get you on the website. Yeah, I just reloaded the website and sign in and it works fine. Interesting. How do you log in with Twitch and not sign up? Oh, you just click... Wait, you just click login. And then you click sign up with Twitch. And then... It's like... Maybe I need to make a new Twitch account, man. And test it. To see where it's really airing out, man. Alright. One thing that's really annoying to deal with right now that I can fix is there's just too many dang console logs everywhere. So many console logs. Seems like auth is successful, but it pushes the... Yeah. There's something happening where it's just not working. And I don't know if it's a problem in my application or if it's a problem with my server configuration, because I know I found a bug a couple weeks ago where I wasn't getting all the cookies from the callback, from the auth callback, because the cookies were too big or too long, and Nginx by default limits the size of the cookies or something like that. So you had to like increase that cookie size or some craziness. I don't even know, man. But whatever is happening now, I don't know why it's happening. Ahmed from YouTube, what's happening? I'm on YouTube too? Yeah. I've started YouTube like within the last year. Anyways, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to try and fix this. Alright, I'm going to register for a new thing. Username. Dang, what should my username be? Fixed it seems. Wait, what? I tried to break your profile, change my... No, it doesn't update automatically. Not yet, at least. I'm still figuring out that part. So anytime I want to update the profiles, I have to like manually run this script, and it will like gather everybody's information in the database. Created account, then deleted cookies again and logs back in. Oh snap. So maybe it's only the initial account creation cookies are bad. Not setting HTTP only on the cookies, or is it done by Supabase? I don't know what that means, Future Highway. Yeah, HTTP only on the cookies. All right. Speen and Q Ultimus, you guys did the same thing that Future Highway did. That it's my fault though, because it's not clear. So it's only the username in the LeetCode profile. Otherwise it's going to be... all right, let me make a list of all the things that I need to do, man. I should have like a full list. So what do we need to do? Fix the wording for the LeetCode profile input. I forgot password feature. No way. We want to add LeetCode profile as a field when signing up. We want to make leaderboards style consistent. What else do we want to do? Easy, medium, hard, green, yellow, red. For sure, we gotta fix the bug for initial sign up with Twitch OAuth. Alright. I don't think anyone is hacking the site. What? Oh, wait, do you LeetCode in TypeScript better or C++? I don't know TypeScript that well. Alright, so you updated, but you're not on the leaderboard. Yes, don't you worry. I will I will. Hold on. Wait, can I not edit somebody's thing? Alright, I just updated Speen's thing. Alright, let me run the scripts, man. We got some new usernames. I should probably have last updated that check in my script so it doesn't update unnecessarily. Alright, let's see. Oh, it just did Q. There we go, man. Alright, new people on the leaderboard. Oh, alright. Here's another thing I can add easily is total problem solved. Alright, that seems decent for now. Oh, maybe a number like 1, 2, 3, or a rank. All right, this is actually the most important one. So should I try working on the most important things first? I was registering for another Twitch account. That's what I was trying to do. Alright, what's my password? What's my password? Country and city mandatory fields? No, they're not mandatory. What's my date of birth, man? Do I need a phone number? Alright, not Midnight Simon. That's my name. It's born in 1962? No, man, that's not me. Alright.
And I can use it once.
Alright, now let me try and register on, well, not on my web, maybe on localhost. Oh, it's not running. Well, I'm not sure if I can reproduce these problems locally. It might have to do with my server settings. But anyways, what was I trying to do? Your leaderboard makes me want to solve more hards. Yeah, me too, Q. I think I gotta solve more hards. Wait, I was about to do... Oh, I was gonna turn on the front end. BetSimp, what's happening? What's the link? MidnightSimon.com, but it's a little bit fragile right now. So you have to go log in and sign up with Twitch or do whatever you want, I guess. Email or Twitch. When fave icon, add it to the list, man. Add it to the list. Alright, I'm trying to debug why the registration is erroring out. on the first attempt, but it works eventually. Like, you have to keep trying to register and then it eventually happens. So right now I'm testing it. All right, it failed. All right, what did y'all do to make it work? Do you just refresh or clear the cookies? Or what? Oh, second try it worked. Yeah, yeah. So there's something strange going on there, you know. So I'm trying to debug that right now. So I just created a new Twitch account and I'm gonna be checking these logs here. It's a pretty not great website right now. Hopefully it will be smooth one day. All right. 404 not found. Oh, wait. I know what's happening. I messed up. I have my redirects. I really need to make the environment variables work with this thing. But for now, whatever. Alright, I see. Alright, so it doesn't refresh by itself, man. I gotta like... Wait, let me update something on this, the algo tracker. So I'm getting... What am I doing? I'm getting this and the LeetCode profile, but I should also get updated at. So I don't have to like let me see what that says when I run it. Sir Salus, what's happening? If you were to start over on your coding journey, what would you do differently? Man, first of all, what year is it? Like, I think it depends. If I start over and you take me back to 2013, I would do a lot differently, man. First thing I would do, immediately, I just start LeetCoding. The year is 2020. All right, the year is 2020. I'll just start LeetCoding immediately. Yeah, pandemic. Hit the LeetCode super hard. And then I would document my journey on YouTube and on Twitch at the same time. And then maybe I wouldn't even need to work anymore if I did that. Wait, what was I doing? 5 years ago was prime. Yeah, it was. The year, alright, now the year is 2036. Man, I'm just gonna hope that Skynet doesn't eliminate me. Alright, let's see. Wait, I told it to get, it didn't get what I told it to get, man. Updated at. It's not there. Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna just run the whole script for now. if you're back in 2020, I think you should all into NVIDIA. Oh yeah, that's a good idea too, man. And yeah, but that, I guess the question wasn't what would you do to get rich. It was just about what would you do with your coding. Oh, all right. We got BetSimp in the house now. Look at that. Dang, 1,800 mediums. The heck? Oh, look. The easy is green. Now let me make the medium orange. Yeah, I don't think anyone is gonna beat BetSimp with problem solves. And only a few people have a chance to beat him at rating, man. Like Raxo, maybe Raxo only. Numbers, I guess. Who else? I don't know. Anyways. Oh, don't defense, yeah, 3K. Don't defense for sure. Alright, this was the text green. Let's make the next one mediums to be orange. Or yellow. Dang, look, it just knew exactly what I wanted to do. Easy, medium, hard. There you go, Bobby Blue. Alright, what's the next feature that we need? The next feature is table header, table row. We need the number. I'm gonna just tell it to display the index +1 as a cell. Did you ever use Soy Whiz? Man, I use that in my boot camp or whatever they call it. I don't even remember what they call your initial boot camp. And that was the only time. I don't want to touch that thing ever again. Soy Whiz is like Google internal front end stuff. Yeah, GTI is what it's called. GTI is like your boot camp. It was so weird, you know? Oh shit, what did I do here? Oh, because I need a new thing right here. Sort field. Oh. Maybe we don't need that, actually. In my GTI, some guy left his mic on while eating. It was funny. Man, I don't talk to any of my GTI people. I know some people keep talking to their GTI group, but I was not one of those people. Alright, this thing is a little bit long, man. So I want this to be I don't know, small as possible. We didn't get to do the project group portion. What do you mean? My GTI group didn't do shit, man. Wait, how can I need this? Man, I should have just asked the AI to do this. What is GTI group? It's your what does GTI stand for, man? It's their Google initial training camp or whatever. My company didn't fully do GTI. We only attended lectures. I see. Google technical immersion. I see. No, not a Volkswagen GTI, man. What's happened? Below 77. Why do I know more about this than you, man? Haven't done GTI in 3 years or more. Do you only do GTI if you're low grade or do all grades? I think everybody does GTI, and I don't know about like. I'm pretty sure if they found a new CEO, I don't think he would have to do GTI or she or they or whatever. But I think regular people do. All right, I'm gonna just open the chat, like, I would like to make the rank column as small as possible with. All right, let's see if it did it. No, it didn't do anything, man. Why is that thing so? Doesn't need to be that big, man. Oh, it has too much padding. All right, let me take out some of that padding. Padding X. All right, that looks a little nicer. But still, there's a lot of padding. Where's all that padding coming from? Oh, right here. All right. I like that a little bit more. I think I'm gonna definitely give it my own style, but for now, we can work with this. Bet Simp number 1. What happens when I click this? Like, what is it sorting by? I don't know. Anyways, what else do we have to do? Let me look at the list. Wait, do they teach you how to do access requests or just send email type stuff? What? I don't even know what they teach you, man. They teach you. They don't teach you anything, man. I guess it gives you. They give you like some projects, and you're supposed to go out there and self-learn on how to host your project. It's like how to use the internal tooling, like our internal Docker or Kubernetes or whatever. You get a chance to see, I guess, work with the code base, make some unit tests, all that stuff, you know, deploy a service or build a service and deploy it. But I don't think, usually it's just like you're in a group of 5 people and it's kind of like college where half the group isn't really doing much or something. And I don't know, my group was particularly bad. Google reminds me so much of college. That's why you went back? Wait, I guess so. In some ways. Yeah, they have clubs. They have social clubs you can join. But doesn't every company have of that size have things like that? Go to the yard to play games. Yeah, you have. You can go find like a pickup game with all types of stuff: soccer, basketball. There's like a. You can join the orchestra. You can. People playing pool a lot. Yeah, I play a lot of pool at work. I'm actually in the pool league at work. What else do they have? Yeah, I mean, the company is like 100, almost 200,000 people, man. So it's more like a small country. Oh, it's sorting my username. Seminars, yeah. My company deploying a service is like a year of work to get to prod. Dang, is your company Netflix? Because I heard, I have a friend, or I wouldn't even say a friend, an old coworker, acquaintance, I guess, who says something similar about Netflix. Like when they submit some code, it takes like a year for it to reach prod. It goes through like a whole year of testing, man. That's insane. Become greatness. What's happened? Oracle. You gotta wait a year for things to get to prod in Oracle? Or what? Oh, I meant a new service, not just deployment. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. All right. Well, GTI is not. It's not actually going into prod, man. It's just like a project to get familiar with how to even deploy something. Like, no way you're gonna learn all of Google's internal tooling in 4 weeks. I don't even know how long GTI is. I think it's 4 weeks. I think it's not that great, man. I've heard horror stories of simple bug fixes at Oracle taking months because there's so many flags and toggles, everything has to be tested with. I don't work for Oracle though, so take that with a few bits out of a bite, right? Yes, there is a lot of testing at Google, I'd say. But when we make a code change, like just for something to land in prod, I'm not talking launching a new service. It takes at most 6 months, I think. That's the longest it will take, but that's like very few teams push the prod that infrequently. Most teams, I'd say it's like at least weekly or bi-weekly, but maybe some of the infrastructure storage systems like Teams or whatever, they can't release new binaries like weekly. It takes them a long time, maybe 6 weeks to release a new binary for storage systems. And I don't know why that is. I'm not really on a storage system team, but I've heard it's because there's like a lot of data in the memory or something, and you can't just release a new binary like that. There's like a lot of stuff you have to do to make sure all the data is good across all these services. I don't really know what goes into it, but it takes a long time. Anyways, should we consult the to-do list? You busters would call it change list too. It's a PR. Yeah. Change list sounded weird in the beginning, but now Changeless is good. Do you guys use Angular? I suppose. I don't really know because I don't do front end. I worked on a Perl stack backed by Perforce. We call them Changeless 2. Interesting. I think they also have a team that made... Yeah, I think Angular is Google, so I wouldn't be surprised if they have a team to maintain it. Wait, what am I trying to do, man? I'm trying... Oh, yeah. I'm trying to clean up some of these console logs. There's a dang crazy one here in the type racer leaderboard. I need like a production logging thing. Production ready logging library, you know. And then I need to get my environments set up properly. Alright, we don't need that. We don't need that. We need those for sure. Don't need that. All right, what's next? Let me see what else to do. That's done. Oh, total problem solved. Let's do that real quick. That one should be simple. LeetCode leaderboards. I'll just tell the chat GPT thing to do it. All right, add a new column that is called total solves. It should be the sum of easies, easy, medium, hard. Look at that, man. LGTM, right? Yeah, looks good to me, man. Let's see if it did it. Total solves. There it goes. Ship it. Yeah, I like it, man. I like it. Except maybe I'll just, instead of total solves, I'll just say total. But now, all right, I want this rank thing to be smaller. Like this column here, I feel like it's still just a little bit too much, man. So padding, looks like my padding X needs to go down in both of them. Where do I do that, man? So it was in this rank stuff. It has this class. I'm not gonna use this, I guess. Well, I'll just copy everything, man. But I'll just give it padding 1 in the X. And here, I guess this is the rank. I'll give this also padding 1. Maybe also replace rank with a number. Future Highway, I like the way you think. I like that, man. That's bumping. That's a good idea right there. Oh, now we can... Alright, let's see what else we can eliminate here. maybe we can even go with like a width smaller than, no, that's good for now. That's good for now. All right, so we got a little LeetCode leaderboards working. What about making the usernames hyperlinks, pixel pusher? Man, you guys got such great ideas, I swear. Seems like obvious now, duh. The leaderboard. Mendez, dang. How do you think of these crazy puns, man? Dang, look at that. 4,000 problems. Norwegian Oiler. Welcome to the party. What are we doing? We're trying to write down these ideas before I forget them. So, best, what are you talking about, man? All right, should we work on a profile hyperlink page? That's gonna require a new route probably, but I think we can do it. So let me see how this profile page works right now. I don't even know how it works. I'm gonna just tell this thing here to add a new route that displays a user's profile page. This route is intended, wait, how should I say? This route should be something like /profile/ username here. The route will load the profile data for the user and display it. All right. Wait, why do I have to update this? Add a link to the public profile. Alright. Alright, let's do it, man. Apply to... Yes. Yes, yes. That looks good. LGTM. Very nice. And this one? Yes. LGTM. Alright, let's see if it works. What is this, cursor? Yeah, this is cursor. I'm doing some AI developments or AI assisted developments. So they're saying, wait, where's my profile URL that they said they're gonna link? Alright, so it doesn't quite work. Wait, interesting, got logged out, signed in, got the 404 page, but when I went to the home page, it had me logged in. Yeah, there's clearly some very strange behavior going on, and I haven't figured out why. But I'm gonna investigate that one of these days. Maybe, I think it'll be easier for me to debug that when I investigate offline, because I'm gonna have to be doing a bunch of database. Like, I probably have to delete myself a lot and sign up, and I don't know. I don't feel like doing it on stream right now is the real reason. Anyways, this thing didn't work. Oh wait, maybe because it never got accepted. No. It says user profile. So it should be profile/username. It's at the end of the OAuth flow. Yes. It's either that or it's something to do with my Nginx settings. I'm really gonna have to look into it. Maybe I should just inspect my Nginx logs. But no. But wait, does it actually show the 404 not found, or does it say some type of generic Nginx error? Because I think if it's an Nginx error, it's happening at Nginx. If it actually loads 404 not found, okay. All right, let me take a peek at my logs one more time. But my logs are so polluted with so much junk, it's hard to read them. Man, who's trying to hack me? You guys trying to do some funky stuff, man? Somebody's doing something interesting. Anyways. Wait, I have issues too in the profile. I think my cookies become corrupt or something because username is not set and my info isn't there. That's good information, Q. Let me see here. Man, somebody's doing something real suspicious, but it's all good. Nothing important anyways. What was I trying to do, Q? I was trying to... You said on the profile page it happens? Oh, interesting. I wonder if I have to send the headers back every time. I'll look into that. Might have to do that, you know. Maybe it's like all these places where should not need to send back cookies every time. Data. Okay, so I think maybe there is some problem with... No, this is for the post, man. This is when you click on the post and return some stuff. So maybe... I don't know. Let me write that down on the to-do list. Potential bug where cookies get corrupted on the profile page, maybe. Cookies don't expire for greater than a year. Interesting. Alright. Alright, how much time we got? We got 1 more hour left. What are we gonna do? Oh, we're still trying to add the profile thing though. Hold on. Wait, look, it's saying nothing is set here for me either. Oh wait, there's a link. View public profile. Alright, let me try. No, this profile link doesn't work at all, which is not great. But let me try and figure out why. So I put this console log in, but it never, this profile never even triggers, man. Let me put something in here. Loader in public profile. Gotta fire Copilot. Or, yeah, this Copilot looking thing. Okay. So it says I'm here, man, but it, oh shit. I think I know. User profile. No, that's not why. Why the hell is it not showing though? Why is that? Do I have to maybe restart the thing? Is there something else that I gotta do? Why is it not working, you know? All right, let me see. So it's loading this thing. So it returns all that data, but then it doesn't do anything, man. Why the hell? What is going on? Am I tripping? So, alright. What is actually happening? So it hits this loader. But then it also hits the other loader. Is it supposed to do that? Not sure. Should I just when I visit the new profile route, it doesn't show the page for that user. Yes, help me debug this. What are they putting in here? They just put the same console logs that I have, man. Alright. I'll take it. Alright, so I go to the dang thing. Yes. The data is there. Oh, wait. Be right back. I gotta pee. Alright. I'm back. Cool chair, thank you. Jeez. So why? Why would it not work? Maybe it's time I consult the official documentation instead of trusting this AI stuff. Yes. Maybe it is time. It's like a dynamic route, is it called? Yes. Oh, I think. Is that what we need? Wait. Interesting. Let me try this out. Maybe I need to explicitly say index. I'm not super sure, but maybe, you know. Let me try that again now. Oh, that is it, man. That seems to be it. All right, we're making progress. Take this out. All right, now I want to tell this thing I figured it out. I'm not even gonna tell it. Steven Sagiball, what are you saying? You've been using React for a while. What do you think of it? I think it's all right. I mean, I don't think I've done anything too crazy. There's a lot of stuff that I don't know. Like, I don't even know how to write performance to React, because I'm sure whatever I'm doing here is probably creating a lot of crazy like re-renders, unnecessary re-renders, and I don't think I have to worry about that right now. But whenever I add sockets to this thing, I think it might get a little bit interesting with trying to like really understand how React works. Like I don't know when something gets re-rendered or how to optimize that or things like that, you know. But I guess I have a small understanding of stuff. Remix, yeah, this is Remix. And then something else that I know I'm going to eventually have to do is have some type of context management or state management. I haven't set that up yet, but right now my app is pretty small, very small, so I don't really need anything crazy. But if I were to build something more complex, these are some challenges I'm gonna have to face, which they're all solved problems. It's not like I gotta come up with a unique solution, man. It's just like I just gotta go learn how to handle these situations, you know. I learned it in fall. It was the worst. Wait, why was it the worst? I had big issues in the beginning with Remix, and I think it mainly had to do with the fact that I had no idea how Remix even worked or what was going on. Like I didn't know what the hell this loader thing was doing. I didn't truly understand the server-side functions or server-side rendering or whatever they call it. Because everything is in like this one file. I thought everything was like on the front end, but like this is really just an API endpoint for the same URL here, you know, like a get endpoint, and then the actions are just like a post or something, you know. So I didn't really understand that in the beginning, and that made me do some very silly things. Especially things where what did I not understand? Like accessing my environment variables. I had some issues where I was trying to get the environment variables on the client side, but they're only available on the server side. So small things like that, man. Anyways, let's do something that I forgot I was doing. Oh, we're trying to create links to these people's profiles. Alright, so I'm gonna go on the leaderboards, the LeetCode leaderboards, and I'm just gonna tell it now. Alright, add a hyperlink to each person's profile. Wait, should that go to a LeetCode profile? Yeah. Or should it go to their user profile too? I think for now, maybe a LeetCode profile. Pixel Pusher, maybe I misunderstood what you meant, because you said like a hyperlink to their profile. But it only just occurred to me that you meant their LeetCode profile and not like the Midnight Simon profile, you know? Anyways, so I'm gonna just put the LeetCode profile for now. It's not users, it's just that. And then I gotta make it underline. There we go. Maybe it's a different color, green or something. What am I doing? Maybe I should make that target blank. I don't know what this no opener thing is, but let's do that too. Oh, look at that. Rank 6. Insane. Wow. Dang, Pixel Pusher is pushing it. Crazy. Wow. Very consistent. Impressive, man. I'm just looking at people's profiles here. Oh yeah, one problem away from elite. Wait, does that add up? Total solves? Yeah, very good, very good. Alright, now I'm just joking around. What am I working on here? Let me consult the to-do list. Problems. No. Add rank, yeah. Style, no, haven't done that. Add a LeetCode profile as a field when signing up. Maybe I can work on this now. So on registration, which is but when you log in with Twitch, you can't set that stuff. So that's no fun. But I guess if somebody signs up with their good old email address. Wait, alright. I gotta take a step back and maybe think about what am I doing, you know? Maybe just go to the profile edit form? What do you mean? Yeah, I have to fix that OAuth bug first. I'm pretty sure. Alright, I'd like people to be able to claim their, yeah. Oh yeah, maybe what would be nice is if I can have you can click on people's names if they're registered, you know? I'm gonna have to probably make a script to do that or something. Let me write it down in the to-do list though. Find some way to link supporters with their... I want to do that so that, like, let's say Q is registered with his Twitch, right? So when you look at this, I'd want Q's name to have a hyperlink, and you click on Q's name and it would go to his profile and you could see the leak codes, you could see the type racer stats for Q. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Profile page, let's also add type racer stats under profile page, and also LeetCode stats. Alright, this is gonna be a lot of new features to work on. I don't know which one to work on right now. I'm feeling lazy. That's the truth. The wording is an easy one, yeah, alright. Profile page, let's edit that real quick. So we log in, profile page. Should I just, no, LeetCode username, maybe I'll change it to that. So it should be alright, let me see. Well, LeetCode profile. Wait, let me think. Why did I choose Airbnb over a hotel? Because I need more space than what the hotels offer, and I need monthly rates. Main reasons. Those are the main reasons. doesn't say URL anymore. It just says username. But, you know, I think if you're only going there for like a week or two, hotels are fine, man. And you don't need that much space. I need space because there's like 3 of us, maybe 4 or 5, who knows. And 5 of us can't fit in a hotel in Japan. 3 of us can't even fit in a hotel over there, man, unless it's like some penthouse suite, you know. So when I went looking on Airbnb, I was looking for like at least 2-bedroom apartments with like 600-700 square feet, you know. Never mind trying to get dinner with a group of 5. Nah, you can do that, man. Getting dinner with a big group, I've done it a few times over there. It's not too bad. But you can't just go anywhere. You gotta go to a restaurant that can accommodate you, you know. Airbnb is the way to go sometimes, I think. But I don't like how the host can cancel on you last minute. And then now, like, your plans are messed up. Problem is, I like hole-in-the-wall ramen shops. Yeah, I like hole-in-the-wall ramen shops too, man. Yeah, some of them you can't go with a big group for sure. Do they have small families? 5 doesn't... Wait, what? 5 doesn't seem like too many for dinner. Yeah, I think no one's having children over there, Future Highway. And everyone is single. What families? Nobody got families. Everyone is single. Isn't that China? Nah, China. In what language you mostly code staff or staff? I do C++ mostly. No, there are restaurants that are large, but there are also like the hole-in-the-wall restaurants in Japan that can only seat like 6 people. You're not gonna bring your whole family there. You know what I'm saying? You bring them to another restaurant that has indoor seating and all that stuff. But usually those are like really tiny places in the middle of like a very busy urban area. But not everywhere. I don't really know anything about Tokyo because I haven't spent any time in Tokyo. But I've spent a lot of time in Osaka. And in Osaka, you can find many places that can take big groups. Yeah, it's not even an issue. Living that bochi life? Wait, what does that mean? Bochi? Bougie? Is that how you say it? I don't know what that means. I can't speak. Plenty of variety in Tokyo, from mall food halls to standing room only izakayas. Hey, what do you call those dang standing bars, man? What are standing bars? What are they called? Tachinomi. That's what they're called. There's a lot of dang standing bars. I guess, I don't know, they must be in Tokyo, but there's a lot in Osaka. Train from Tokyo to Osaka is only 3 hours. That's the bullet train though. If you take the regular ass train, it's like 8 hours or something. I don't know. Yeah, 3 hours and a couple $100. Should you take regular for the sights? Nah, man, just take the bullet train. You don't have time to be going slow. You can still see the sights on the bullet train. Yeah, the Shinkansen. It. But I think you pass by Fuji when you go to Osaka. I don't know which side it's on, left or right side. Maybe it depends on which rail you're on. Hyper, what's happened? You sure can get by with no Japanese? Yeah, you can get by. Especially if you bring your phone around and you have Google Translate on your phone, you can do it. Make sure to eat some sumo stew. What the hell is sumo stew, man? Dang. It looks like interesting. Right side going from Tokyo to Osaka. Yeah, I'm trying to climb Mount Fuji. Are we just doing a just chatting stream now? Because I don't feel like working on stuff. I'm trying to climb Mount Fuji. How fit do I have to be to climb Mount Fuji? When am I going? Next Suno tournament is in 12 days. Yeah, I'm not going to catch that in 12 days. I'm going this summer. It's goated, especially if you go in winter. Alright, I'm going to have to try and remember that, BetSimp. I'm going to make a list of all the things that chat suggests that I do in Japan. So one thing that I'm definitely trying to do is I'm going to do my first IRL stream in Japan. I have to get some gear for that though. I don't know what I need, but I'll probably take y'all out onto the streets with me, man. Just me and all of you hitting the streets in Japan, doing whatever. If y'all want to go out roaming, eating food, or sightseeing, or playing with the monkeys. Maid cafe. Nah, I ain't going to no dang maid cafe, man. Maybe I go hang out with the dare. Oh, Heptify, what's happened? How you doing? I remember when I went to Tokyo in like November before COVID and it was cold AF. I walked 2 hours to go to this famous Chanko restaurant opened by a previous sumo wrestler. Wow. Man, you know that all the dang sumo wrestling champs are from Mongolia? I don't know why. Soaplands, yeah, right, man. You guys need to stop talking that nonsense out here. Tourists stand out on weekdays? What? Oh, tourists stand out on weekdays because you're not. That's only in probably Tokyo or something. In Osaka, maybe in like the business area, like Umeda is like where all the business people are. But nah, man. Tourists stand out because they're not Japanese. That's why. I hate how people in Tokyo stand on the left on escalators, but in Osaka they stand on the right. Oh yeah, I only know it's on the right side. I always stand on the right side. I think Tokyo has it wrong, man. Tokyo, I don't know why they be on the left side. I heard people say Japanese staff don't like serving tourists. Japanese people hate tourists. Bobby Blue, you can't generalize a whole country like that, man. There are some Japanese people that probably don't like tourists, I'm sure. There are probably some Japanese people who love tourists, who don't want to do anything but talk to the tourists, you know? Maybe you can call them like gaijin hunters, man. They're out there. Yodobashi, so much colors, advertisements. I was bombarded with that thing. Wait, what? Play the Yodobashi sound? What are you talking about? Yodobashi sound. Is that like a department store? I forget. There used to, it's like a big department store. Yeah, I think that's where I used to buy all my electronics when I was there, man. Is it Yodobashi? Yeah, Yodobashi camera. What are you talking about, sound? don't know. I mean, I think all them stores, I'm not trying to play that jingle right now. There's a Don Quixote jingle that's stuck in my head 10 years later, almost 10 years later. I keep singing it at least once a week. I'll sing that Don Quixote thing in my head. Yeah, I'm really excited to go. I'm gonna have to be working while I'm over there. So I'm doing like 4 weeks vacation and 4 weeks working remotely. Man, that's like a real song. What the hell is that tune from? It's like a Jesus song or something. I have so much to figure out. Like, do our credit cards work there? Yeah, some of your credit cards work there. Depends on which ones you got. You might want to make sure you got the good credit cards though. The ones that you don't get charged foreign transaction fees mainly. Some places don't take credit cards at all, but I haven't been there in a long time, man. Maybe COVID changed things where now everyone accepts cards. But when I was living there, only like the big stores and stuff would take card. Many places were cash only, you know. And sometimes it was difficult to get cash, man. Like some ATMs, I remember only working with Japanese cards or something. The tune is familiar. What song is it based on? Yeah, Future Highway, that's what I was saying. I think it's like a church song. Like glory, hallelujah, or something like that, man. It sounds familiar. That's it? Something glory, hallelujah. I went to a lot of church when I was younger. What am I doing? I'm feeling lazy, man. But we got a lot of work to do. What is this? Tax free. Oh yeah. Buy an iPhone. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a lot of things there, man. I'm gonna probably buy a camera or two when I'm over there. Get some of them dang lenses. I'm going with empty bags, and then I'm coming back with full bags, man. Anyways. Do I bring luggage that's empty to bring stuff back in? Absolutely, man. What are you gonna bring there? Like, I wouldn't even bring that many clothes. I'm gonna go over there. I'm probably gonna try and find some dang Japanese swag. But you might have some issues because you're not a regular size Steven Sagiball. So I'd probably try and bring clothes if I was you. And then you can, like, you're only going for a few days, so just bring an empty suitcase, or bring a suitcase that's not empty, but it has another suitcase inside of it, so that you travel over there with one, and then you start filling up all the extra suitcases, and then you fly back with like 2 or 3. Hit up northern Japan, Sapporo. Yeah, all right, Hepta 5. Let me tell you, man. I want to explore some other places in Japan besides the usual places: Kyoto, Osaka, Tokyo, whatever, Kobe, Nara. Those are all, everybody goes there. Fuji, I've been there, but I'm trying to go to Sapporo was one of them, and also Fukuoka. Or is that how you spell it? Hokkaido? Alright, I'm trying to go to Fukuoka, man. Look how far that is. It's all the way on the west coast. So here's Osaka. This is at the Kansai region. This is best bang for your buck, I think, if you're visiting. You see Osaka, Kyoto, Kobe, Nara. Lots of great attractions. And then Tokyo is up here. Fuji's like in the middle somewhere over here. So when you go on the train or on the plane from Tokyo to Osaka, you pass Mount Fuji and you can see trains or planes you can see. And then Hokkaido is this northern island in Japan. And Hokkaido has the best snow in the world. That's what people say for winter sports. The freshest, coolest powder the world has ever seen is in Hokkaido. In particular, like in this area, like Niseko, I think. It's always been a dream of mine to go riding in Hokkaido, but like I snowboarded for a really long time. But I recently retired from snowboarding, but maybe I might come out of retirement just to ride in Hokkaido one of these days. Not this year or anything. Bullet train is damn fast. The dare, yeah, Nara, one of the dang dares in Nara bit me, man. I use my wellness benefit at Salesforce for ski season passes. Dang, you can do that? That's insane. I don't think we can't use it for a dang ski pass, man. But you can use it for lessons. Like, it's not wellness benefit. Dang, that's sick. No, but I retired, man. I feel like it's a dangerous sport, and there's been many close calls for me. So I'm just basically retired so I don't get injured seriously. And tore my rotator cuff twice. Dang. Yeah. So wait, do you ski or snowboard? I've never skied. I only snowboard. Yeah. Snowboarding is nice, man. I've had one major accident where I hit my head and I don't remember anything. I woke up in an ambulance, man. And this was like early on in my career, though. I had a good 10 years after this accident snowboarding. But that was my first time in an ambulance. That was my first time having to pay for an ambulance ride. And that ambulance ride was like $2,500 or something. When I go to other places like Salt Lake or Denver, it's all skiers. That is not a new Bugatti. What are you talking about, man? Anyways. Should I actually work on something? Or should I just do something chill for 25 minutes? Any plans to hit up Okinawa? I've been to Okinawa in the past, but I don't think I'll be going there this trip. I went to Okinawa and I went to a place called Zamami, I think. This place was really cool. What's your favorite LeetCode problem? That's a great question. Just Carolis. Favorite LeetCode problem has to be Coco eating bananas. I'd say either that or Meeting Rooms Part 2. What do you recommend in Okinawa? Spam onigiri. I don't know what else they do in Okinawa. But anyways, I went to this place called Zamami in Okinawa. So you gotta fly to Okinawa, and then you take a dang boat from there to the island of Zamami. And I think there's only like 1 or 2 boats a day. So one boat, I don't even know how many boats a day, man. But it's not unlimited, that's for sure. Wait, ads? Man, Hefta 5. Hold the conversation. You're right. The bars in Kyoto were so fun. Oh, I know which alley you're talking about. I know Golden Guy is touristed, but I really want to go. What? What was that? Oh, yeah, I've never been there because, man, something I want to do for sure that I never got the chance to do is I want to photograph Tokyo because I've never done it, and I enjoy photography. It was Shinjuku, man. Yeah, I was about to say Kyoto ain't known to be poppin', man. So, anyways, I like Osaka the most. I even got an Osaka shirt on. Look at that, man. Everybody knows Osaka is #1. I'll go to Osaka then. Yeah, Steven Saget Ball. I have to say, I really like Osaka when I was there. Probably because I was into drinking back then. I don't drink anymore. But Osaka, it was really fun to drink out there, man. I made a lot of friends. I was a part of a bar, like a community. Like this one bar I went to took me under their wing, these Japanese guys. And I hung out with them a lot, man. They showed me all the Japanese things. I even went to a dang, like, picnics with them and stuff. Or it's like they would have an event every month with the bar. And lots of people would show up and it would be pretty fun. I'm afraid if I ever go to Japan, I might never come back. Why are you afraid of that, Q? That is not something to be afraid of. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. Anyways. So many people passed out in the roads? Yeah, I've done that 1 time or 2 times, maybe once. Woke up in an alley. Like, what the hell is going on, man? But yeah, it's a thing out there. You'll see people passed out, and then you'll see like their clothes folding up neatly beside them. If they like took off their jacket or something, somebody would pass by and like fold their clothes for them and put their shoes nice and, you know. Krypton246, how are you doing? I'm excited because it's safe in Japan. That's one of the biggest reasons why I like Japan. You feel super safe there, even if you're really drunk or whatever, you know, like, chances are you're gonna be all right. Some people leave a bottle of water too. Yeah, that's nice. Mexico, there were like armed guards. Yeah, Mexico ain't safe, that's for sure. Well, when you compare it to Japan, it's definitely not safe. Man, should I just switch to this mode? I'm not even doing nothing, man. It's so quiet in the subway. Literally everyone is on their phone. No, well, I think even before people had phones, it is considered rude to like make noise in the subway and stuff, I think. Everyone's just super quiet because that's how they are, man. They don't want to disturb anyone else. I'm scared of the shoe thing. I guess if I see cubbies, what? I'll just wait for someone and see if they do it. What are you talking about, man? Meanwhile, in the NYC subway, yeah. It's scared of the shoe thing. Yeah, you're supposed to take your shoes off before you go into certain places, man. So make sure your socks don't stink, Steven Sagaball. New York City subway makes me mad. I just want quiet, and this dude comes in and starts singing and asking for donos. Yeah, homeless person peeing in the corner. Yeah, I haven't seen a lot of the singing people, the subway performances. Um, that's probably because I only commute during rush hour. But if I go in like the midday or sometimes they're on there, they're singing or whatever, man. They're pole dancing in the subway, like all the dudes trying to swing around the pole, doing all these crazy stunts. Like, come on, man, get out of here. Ain't nobody trying to see that, you know? Oh yeah, Showtime, that's what they call it. Dang, Showtime. Get that shit out of here, man. Swap cars, yeah. The drunk train? What are you talking about, drunk train? Who's drunk? Where's my chat? Oh, snap. I see. The LIRR. That's what you're talking about. The Lear. So, very excited about my trip this summer. Yeah, so one thing over there in Japan, the trains don't run 24/7. So if you miss the last train, when I was living there, it's like if you miss the last train, it means you gotta stay out all night drinking, and then you catch the 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. train. Dang. Pets, hello world. Welcome to the party. How are you doing, man? How's the grind going? I hear that you're trying to be consistent in LeetCode, but you're having some difficulties, Pat. You just gotta turn on the stream. You just gotta show up every time, man. Mental gone? No, man. Just set the time every day and you just do it, you know? I think when I try and do something whenever I feel like to every day, it never gets done. But if I set a specific time, like a time block something, it's more likely to get done, man. Sat here for 1 hour not processing anything. Well, that's a good sign that you need a break. I'm kind of like feeling like that right now. I can't really do much, so I'm just chatting about Japan. Hepta 5. What are you sending? What is this? A week in the life of a Tokyo salaryman. Man.
Tomorrow. Time 12:40. Eating it because I'm hungry. 12:48. Workout. 1 a.m. Shower time. 1:30.
I think I've seen this a long time ago, man. Yeah, 9 years ago. But hey, if you move there, Hepta 5, you don't have to be a salaryman, man. You could probably just move there and not work. You could probably just retire there, man. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm really trying to just move there in like 3 years or something. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't need to be a salaryman, Hepta 5. Just keep stashing away that Salesforce money. Sell your house when you're ready to leave. And then you go to Japan and you just chill. Maybe you visit there for a year. I think you can get a visa for a year if you have like 300K net worth. And then after that, if you still want to stay there, you can go get a cultural visa where you just go study like tea ceremony or something. Let's go to Mexico? Nah, man. I ain't going to Mexico. Alright. I'm thinking all the places I want to live. Japan. I'd live in Switzerland, in Zurich, because I could just transfer there for work. North Korea? No way, man. Alright, so we got Japan, we got Switzerland. I'd probably live in New Zealand too. I've never been, but it looks sick. I'm down, man. So New Zealand, that's 3. I suppose, I mean, USA, I live here already. Canada, I'd live in Canada too. I don't know which part of Canada though. Busan, I've never really traveled to South Korea. I've only spent like 2 days there. Iceland, yes, Iceland is also, I would consider living in Iceland if I could. I don't even know where the hell it is, all the way up here. If there was, yeah, I think I'd live in Iceland, man. If they got high-speed internet over there, we're good. Ireland? Nah, I ain't trying to live in Ireland. I don't really know why. I just don't really want to live there. Taipei? No way, man. I ain't trying to get invaded. Portugal? Maybe. Maybe Portugal. I'd say... Where else would I live? India? No, man. I ain't live in India. London? No, too expensive, I think. What about a remote island? Yeah, I'd live in a remote island, but not super remote. Like in Hawaii, I wouldn't... Hawaii is too far. Way too remote, man. Wait, Samoa? Nah. Alright, Stanley Fresh. After thinking about it, I take it back. I'm not living in a remote island. I hate thinking about I gotta take an 8-hour flight just to leave this dang island. No way, man. Imagine you live in Hawaii. You're trapped. There's no way you can leave unless you go on a dang multi-day journey, you know? Alright, so Japan, Switzerland, New Zealand. Maybe Germany? I don't know. There are worse places to be trapped than Hawaii. Canada? Yeah, I live in Canada, but I've already lived there. So it's all good. But I have my Canadian citizenship, I have my US citizenship, and I have Jamaica. Oh, maybe Chile? I've heard good things about Santiago, man. I might be down to check it out one day. Cuba, man. I've never been to Cuba, but everybody tells me I gotta go to Cuba before all the Americans get there. Like, that's what all the Canadian people I know tell me, because people from Canada can go and visit Cuba, no problems, but I think people from America cannot. They have to like fly somewhere and then fly to Cuba on some weird passport, right? Besides that, I don't know. I think those are all the countries that I really want to live in, but I would probably, if I had to live other places. Canada's gonna become 51st state? Hope not. Gotta catch them all? Nah, I'm not trying to go to every country. I don't know. I've never really been to like Eastern Europe. I'd like to do that one day. Aurora Borealis in Iceland seems cool. Yeah, I actually did that, Steven Sagiball. I went to Iceland for like a week and I rented a car and I drove from Reykjavik and I drove all the way to, I don't know, man, somewhere over here on this side. I didn't do the full ring, but I took like a week and I went, man, where did I go, man? It must have been down here or something. Why have I been everywhere? Man, because I'm 30 something years old, man. I'm like 38, 37. Something. Why go to Iceland when you can just go to Greenland? I'd want to go to Greenland. I've never been. I actually really want to go to Antarctica. I want to go to that dang research station in Antarctica, wherever it is. I want to live there. I wouldn't mind doing 1 year at that research station. And I don't want to be doing research, man. Just put me in a room and give me some internet. I don't care. I just want to see what it's like. To see the ice wall? I don't even know what's in Antarctica, but I just like being it sounds adventurous, I'd say. Let's go deep in Alaska. I'd like to do Alaska. I've never been. I think New Zealand is the one place that I've really always wanted to go, and I haven't made it there yet. But in the past, I haven't been there because it's so far and I'm broke. But now I guess I can afford to go there. So perhaps it's coming soon. Maybe like in a few years. Maybe whenever I don't know. If I ever move to Japan, maybe I can go vacation in New Zealand. Look up Queenstown, New Zealand. Wait, what do you want to know about it? Should we go on the streets? That's what you want? Damn, look at that, man. Look at those nice roads. Look at those nice hills. Look at those nice mountains, man. Sick. Pretty pictures, yeah. I also like longboarding. Well, it's been a long time since I longboarded. And I'm no good at downhill stuff. But if I lived in New Zealand, man, maybe I'd get back into longboarding. And I'm talking about not in the sea or in the ocean. I'm talking about long skateboarding. The South Island is very rural. What? Anyways. Want to go to where? Grindelwald. Oh, I think I know where that is. I went to... Man, what's the name of the dang place? I have some nice videos over there. Lawton Bruren. Yeah, this place. I went to this dang place in Switzerland, Steven Sagiball. Look at this town, man. Lawton Brunnen, yeah. There's this dang waterfall. And you can just... Is that it? Yeah. It was a very pretty town, that's for sure. And I think it's right next to that place you're talking about, Steven Sagiball. Looks like something out of an RPG. Yes, in fact, I think many video games and even Lord of the Rings is heavily inspired by Switzerland and the Swiss Alps and all that stuff. Not just like Lots of Bruin or whatever, but what's that place called, man? Interlaken. That's where I went in Switzerland. Interlaken. Let me tell you about Interlaken, man. Interlaken, there's 2 types of tourists when you go here. Well, 3 types. But 2 major groups and 1 everyone else. The first major group of tourists in Interlaken are all of the Korean people and K-drama people who love... Man, what show is it that Interlaken is on? Is it Crash Landing on You or something? Yeah. So in a scene in Crash Landing on You, there's like, I guess they're in Interlaken, and people who love K-dramas, they come. This is like the K-drama mecca. Everybody has to make a pilgrimage to Interlaken, to this harbor, to go take a picture like this on that harbor. I went there, and I saw a lot of K-drama people lining up to take a selfie there. The second group of people, or a group of tourists, major group of tourists that you'll find in Interlaken is people from India, man. I guess Bollywood films many movies in Interlaken. So Interlaken is featured a lot, and everybody from India wants to visit Interlaken. I don't know. I didn't know that until I went there, man. But they love it there. Bollywood, look. Bollywood in Switzerland. It's like a real thing. So I guess there's a lot of Bollywood movies or something. Look, tons of articles about this. I never would have thought. Have you ever been to Croatia? I have not, but I would like to go. I hear it's very beautiful in Croatia. Anyways, look at that. Look at the time. We've just we used up all the time, and now it's like almost midnight. Talking about all the places. I really want to go to Ethiopia, but maybe I can wait. Hold off for now. I think it would be cool to go. Ethiopia has a lot of history there that I'm interested in, you know. I want to go to Rome. Yeah, I haven't been. I went backpacking when I was 19, like 20 years ago or more, or almost 20 years ago. And I went to Rome for a night. Get that coffee from Ethiopia? Nah. I don't know, maybe. Where else do I want to go? That's it. Or top tourist destinations in the world. Let's see. Where's the list? World tourism rankings. France, #1. Spain, USA, Italy, Turkey, Mexico. Man. Greece. I want to go to Greece, actually. Colombia. Yeah, I'd go to Colombia too. Come to my country, Nepal. Man, I hear people in Nepal love that Kush, man. They love that Himalayan Kush. I hear all the old grandmas in Nepal smoking that Kush down the street, man. I had a roommate from Nepal, and that's what he used to tell me. I don't know if it's true. Don't come to Mexico, dang. I won't, man. Don't worry. Jamaica is a nice spot. Anonymous 1221. Jamaica is a nice spot. I go there every year, man. Wait. Dang, look at that. Jamaica is #10 in the Americas. Interesting. Came for the coding content, stayed for the Kush talk. Yeah. Wait, let me see if that's right. Do people smoke Kush in Nepal? Smoking weed is illegal. That's not true, is it? That's crazy. Oh, they're about to legalize it though. Nepal has a history of using cannabis for what? And as a holy offering to Shiva. Interesting. Wait, 1 day a year? What are you talking about? Oh, except for 1 day a year. What the hell is that year, man? It is illegal. Alright. Seems so. But is it enforced? Wait, wait. What the hell? Is this true, man? Except for 1 day a year. Anyways. What is a Shiva? I don't know, man. That's like a god, probably. The only reason I know what the hell Shiva is because of Final Fantasy VII. You get the guard, what do they call it? The summons, and one of the summons is like Shiva, the ice queen lady. I don't think it's the same Shiva over there. Anyways, man, it's time to go. Talk about Kush, smoking Nepalese Kush, man. Oh, fun fact, just in case you guys didn't know this, but word on the street is Jamaica smokes weed a lot because of India. Because all the Hindu priests and whatever in India, they moved to Jamaica. Not all of them, a few of them moved to Jamaica after slavery was abolished in like the mid 1800s, and they brought their Kush, their Hindu Kush, and they introduced it to all the Rastas in Jamaica, and they taught them about how you can use this Kush to talk to the gods, and then the Rastas started to smoke it and incorporate it into their religion. So that's my fun fact if we're talking about Kush. Let's go find somebody to raid, man. Are we raiding LeetCoder? We got a new LeetCoder, man. Oh, they're learning Japanese? Or what? What are they doing? Anyways, I'm gonna go raid them. Oh, Banana Butcher from YouTube. What's happening? I'm about to end stream. Oh, Leet Whale in the house. How you doing? And see you later. Krypton 246, see you later. Oh, by the way, tomorrow, before I say my goodbyes, I've been building Q's keyboard. It's still in pieces. I have to solder everything up. But this is Q's keyboard and what it looks like. Is that even focused? There it is. And this is the 1 million point redemption that Q redeemed. So I'll be continuing this build tomorrow. I only have to solder it up, so I should be finished tomorrow if my solder gets here in time. Keyboard build part 2. Yeah, Q, you gotta let me know when you're available tomorrow so I can start at a appropriate time. Alright, so oh, free all day, very nice. Anyways, so I'll see y'all tomorrow for the keyboard build. Q Ultimus, see you later. Krypton 246. Adios. Software tools. Ad Laha, see you later. Maybe tomorrow. Leet Whale, Spetsnats, Logic, Jim 3838. Have a good night. Kenny HY, see you later, Alligator. Steven Sagiball, see you tomorrow, maybe. Everybody else, have a good night. YouTube, good night.